Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel Simple Tutorials. This is Omar and today we are going to be discussing that how to install and use Arc browser on a Mac. So that is going to be a quite simple method to follow. And yeah, now before we dive into the video, there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So it is going to be super amazing if you do that. Alright, so now here as you can see I'm on arc.net. So you are going to be simply heading over to there. Here we have two different options to download for Windows and download for Mac. Click on download for Mac and just wait for a couple of seconds. You can see the downloading has already started and I'm going to be simply waiting until it completes and then install my Arc browser. Once it is installed, you will be able to see interface something like this, and that's how easily you can use your Arc browser. So it's not a big rocket science or stuff like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and see you around the next couple of videos. Also make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video to simply donate to our channel. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos.